Power, push, traction. How does a pump get from 0 to 1? See the generating power. Test park. This is where the movement first started, ready to test the pump's power. You see one of our testing steps on precision. We perform and report a vibration test of each pump. Performance testing and hydrostatic testing take place after the impeller is dynamically balanced and pump motor axis alignment is complete. After the performance test, cavitation test, mechanical operation test and final inspection are performed in our fully automatic test center with a capacity of 10,000 cubic meters per hour. Vibration and noise tests are performed together during the performance test and the mechanical startup test.